everybody. Boy, it's amazing what happens when you don't remember how to use your camera. Yeah, I haven't used this camera in months, maybe up to a year. Well, just doing a little bit of recording on the TEAC A-7300. I've got the big 10.5-inch nav reels and everything. So we're at this particular point, we're just establishing levels and everything. Okay. We're on a high meter resolution guy right there. Arming both record switches, or channels I should say. Machine's now set for record. Okay, you can hear the solenoids engage. So the pinch station is in a pause record mode right now. Okay. So we're setting it the level so we get the maximum dynamic range, the best signal to noise ratio. But we're trying not to saturate the tape too much and create all kinds of unhappiness. Most people call it distortion, right? So it's looking good right there. No sound here on the music and stuff. Haven't really decided what I want to put up yet. That's coming. But basically, once we get everything the way we like it, we just reset back to 0, which we're doing right now. And we're just dragging our progress line all the way back to 0. Now we're all set there. Set the tape, because we want to be sure we're actually laying information on tape and we're just not recording something blank. It's kind of embarrassing. Then we hit play to start the recording, like that. And away we go. Confidence monitoring, directly whatever it is you want to put on the tape. Hopefully something you really like. Hey, that's basically it. Just wanted to show everybody kind of a little bit what we're doing here, and hopefully we'll have more going up pretty soon. See you later.